Why I am very interested to learn accent because when I met people from United States, from Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, Massachusetts, Oklahoma, Lithuania, Michigan, and then New York. When I met, with them, because I have love from them. I have love from those people in the United States. When I met that, and I use idiom, I'm on the client to me because I'm very happy to meet that they will respect 100%. Are American or not? They will ever asking me, are American or not? No, I'm not. I'm totally, really originally from Aceh. My mom from Aceh. My father from Aceh. And then why I speak language speaker forward? Because the best lecturer, Mr. Fahmi Anifa, and then Mr. Agus inspire me. Every single body can speak English, but when you change your habit, have you ever went to America? Yes, I went to America, United States. That's why I can speak, right now, many people from, West Virginia, US American accent, because for me, it's very important for us, man. Man. And then every morning I went running there, and then, like Lawah Mountain, very important for us, and then take picture, and then there's elephant there. Yeah. That's why when I met people from the United States, totally 100 respect with them. Yeah, I'm American or not, because even though just a little bit use idiom, I think you are totally down to earth because you are the best lecturer forward for first time. That Mr.